Rural India has a quiet strength, the strength of community, of aspirations, and of an unshakable belief that progress belongs to everyone. While working with the rural communities, I have realized that the development here is not a story of need. It is a story of potential. The potential that unfolds when people come together to dream, to act, and to lead their ways of change. At Transform Rural India, in its Community Action Lab, I work closely at the intersection of women collectives, panchayats, and local administration, where they all come together to redefine what progress looks like. One idea, one conversation, and one collective effort at a time. One such beautiful effort that captures this spirit is Jeevan Shala, which is a lifelong learning school for women, of women, and by women. In the villages of Chanwe block of Mirzapur, the village organizations identified the women who had never been to schools. They organized the awareness rallies and launched the community managed learning centers, which are led by the volunteer teachers. Jeevan Shala stands today as a symbol of collective determination, a space co-created by Gram Panchayats and women collectives that transcends beyond just literacy, but to embrace the health and nutrition, financial literacy, and leadership skills among women. One of the most moving movements of Jeevan Shala was when a Mahila Pradhan herself distributed the sweets on the inauguration ceremony of Jeevan Shala in her Gram Panchayat. A place where once the women's education was an afterthought is becoming a place led by the women's pride and possibilities. Over time, I've come to see that progress cannot move in fragments because life itself is interconnected. True and real rural transformation can only happen when every dimension grows together. When the community institutions are strong, the local governance is responsive, the education reaches every home, health and nutrition is secured, livelihood is sustained, and climate action protects and secures what we call our shared future. And when all these threads come together, they weave what we call a flourishing locality, where each community of rural India thrives with a dignified life, with peace, balance, and prosperity. Rural India does not just hold the potential, it is the potential. And when that potential is nurtured with trust and collaboration, even the quietest village can lead the path for the rest of the world.